Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to launch a Dodge Challenger RT. First, ensure your tires are at their optimal pressure, typically around 32 to 35 psi, for maximum grip. Next, select the appropriate drive mode, often Sport or Track, which optimizes engine and transmission settings. Finally, disable both traction control and electronic stability control systems to allow for full power delivery without intervention. This setup is crucial for a powerful launch. With your Challenger properly prepared, position the car for a straight, unimpeded launch, ensuring ample space ahead. Apply the brake firmly with your left foot, holding the vehicle steady. Now, with your right foot, gradually increase the engine RPMs to a consistent level, typically between 1,500 and 2,000 RPM, finding the sweet spot just before the tires begin to slip. This controlled staging is key. The moment of truth. Release the brake quickly and smoothly with your left foot, simultaneously maintaining the throttle with your right. As the car launches, manage any wheel spin by subtly modulating the accelerator pedal, preventing excessive loss of traction. Shift gears smoothly and precisely at the optimal RPM range, usually near the red line, to maintain continuous power delivery. Practice makes perfect for this critical step. After a successful launch, maintain control of your Challenger and continue accelerating through the gears, enjoying the full power. Remember, consistent practice in a safe, controlled environment like a drag strip is essential to refine your technique and achieve repeatable results. And hey, while you're upgrading your ride, why not upgrade your home too? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.